I just want to take a few minutes from this very hectic day. We're finalizing all the very last details of the booth because NPE is about to start, and we're very happy to arrange all this. Well, we're also very tired, but more happy than tired, to show you all our novelties and the innovations in the manufacturing of both closures and preforms. If you think that you have already seen all in this kind of business, well, we would like to prove you're wrong, since we have so many things to show you. Artificial intelligence applied to the manufacturing of both innovative solution for the saving of energy, and very, very interesting technological solution that ensure your performance and reduce the weight of the product. More sustainable from both the environmental side and the economical side. Yeah, plenty of things yet to do. I'm coming! Yes, we have to finalize tomorrow. Just look for SACMI booth and look for the big red griffin. That's our symbol. And Harry Potter has nothing to do with that. Bye!